Hi everyone, it's Rachel here. So I have an Etsy update. After making those hinged pieces the other day, I don't have any here, do I? No, don't know where I put them. Oh, here we go. Here's one. So I used Stef's previous Easter sort of label-y. We called them Easter embellishments, but they're really sort of more like labels. I used those to do that 100-day project. And so I said to Steffi, would you mind making some of those embellishments, because they are really nice. I'll call them labels really. You know, using the other kits, and just maybe do a bigger file with about 6 pages. So that's what he's done. Now I've just printed these from the JPEG. I printed a full page. I printed full page, but the slightly reduced full page one, where they come out a bit smaller, and then I did 2 to a page. And when I prepare, I haven't prepared the PDF yet, but when I prepare the PDF, I'll try to create it so that you get the same effect as if you were printing from the JPEGs. So I'll just show you the pages. And I can't remember, I think these are this full page but slightly smaller, but they're really lovely and really fun to use. So he's taken them all from all different kits across the board, so they can coordinate with anything. That one. And then that one. And then these are them printed, which is the right way. These are them printed 2 to a page. So that's the size they become. Here. That one. And then this, oh yes, this is the big. This is full size. So they are quite big when they're printed full size. There, they almost don't fit on the screen, but I've zoomed in a little bit because I've got a mess around me. There we go. So you can just see them there. They're really, really lovely, and I can't wait to use them. But these are lovely. You can put those on a page. You can put them on a journal cover. They're just so pretty. Make them, you can put some paper behind them and reinforce them on the copy paper, and then make them pockets. I've done that before. We need to revisit that idea actually. There and there. So I'll put the link in the description box, and they should be up in my shop. Well, I won't publish this video until they are in my shop. So I hope you like those, and I will see you again in a minute. I'm going to go and craft with them. Bye.